To get further information, please refer to the ECP installation guide, specifically Chapter 11.1 Installation of Broker on Windows. For installation of Broker on Windows Server, it's necessary to have prepared the unpacked ActiveMQ 5.16.1 binary distribution in the targeted installation directory. The folder needs to be renamed from Apache ActiveMQ 5.16.1 to ActiveMQ. It's necessary to extract content of the Broker installer zip file to the targeted installation directory and to overwrite any existing files inside the ActiveMQ folder. Now go to ActiveMQ, conf, and open ECP config XML file. Locate existing broker.properties path setting and update it to conform with the broker.properties in the installation path. Save the file. After that, go to the installation path and open broker.properties. It's needed to configure several mandatory parameters. Fill out all broker registration data, URL, network, and broker code. Copy the registration key store to the installation folder. Set the registration key store location and its password. Both are provided in the administrator of the component directory. Set the same for authentication key store, which will be created during the registration process. After that, fill out the component code and the URL of component directory as well as its customizable location for data stored on Broker. Save the file. After configuration, the registration process follows and it's done by command prompt. The broker installation package comes with a broker registration tool. The registration process is divided into 3 steps. All the steps must be executed successfully as specified to finish the registration process. Change the current directory to the one where the broker registration tool.jar is located. Create a broker registration request using initial registration command. Please note that the request needs to be approved by the component directory administrator before the next step. After that, check the registration request state using check registration status command. Finally, push the configuration of broker to component directory using push configuration command. Registration is successful. Before starting the application, go to ActiveMQ, Win, Win64 and open wrapper.conf. Add additional wrapper.java.additional.13 parameter with the path of component directory folder to configure broker as a service. Save the file. Then go to the same folder and execute install-service.bat. The application is now registered as a Windows service under the name ActiveMQ, therefore it can be started directly from service. Now it's possible to open the graphical user interface of ActiveMQ via web browser. The URL contains of the HTTP, your server IP or localhost, and 8161 port. It's possible to log in with different credentials, which can be found in the jettyrealm.properties file. After double-click on the Manage ActiveMQ broker link, several tabs with information about the broker can be found. For example, queues. The ECP broker version 4.8.0 is successfully installed.